Velo, USD exchanges close $0 a genuinely enormous manner. Velo explicitly has a medium-term obstruction at $0, which is very huge. Velo's amount, all things considered, shows a genuinely descending pattern in a by and large significant manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they in a real sense thought. The 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on pressing issues. What basically is certainly momentary cost expectation for Velo. Most certainly is Velo a sort of wise venture, which in every practical sense is very critical. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on in a for the most part significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping profound into the Velo specialized examination, truly let us in every practical sense discuss the sort of current economic situation. Pretty further appearance how Velo's amass certainly shows a really descending pattern, which especially is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours. There sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $1,154,329,028,372. So Velo, USD exchanges close $0 a by and large significant manner. The very complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $44,480,359,250 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a for the most part huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, showing that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value lessening of 3.36% coming to $1,854.11 during the past 24 hours. Fundamentally further appearance how Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they explicitly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16, following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, or so they certainly thought. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, really is somewhere around 3.99 and right now exchanging at 45 cents, which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which for the most part is very critical. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market generally is going in a genuinely descending course for commonly present moment, which generally is very critical. As of now, a genuinely broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market incredibly. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which essentially is genuinely huge. Support truly is a level at which purchasers truly become in every practical sense more sort of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Showing that the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now and all things considered. Attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters. Sought clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for Velo. All things considered, is Velo an essentially wise interest in a very huge manner. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which vendors for the most part move sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving sort of higher in a by and large enormous manner. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of Velo. Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo basically is exchanging at $0 an exchanging volume of $1,543,743. Further appearance how the 22nd of April 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time sort of clarified some pressing issues. What generally is in every practical sense. Momentary cost expectation for Velo. Truly is Velo a truly wise speculation, which in a real sense is very critical. However, Velo in a real sense has a value decline of 5.82% in the kind of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an exceptionally all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Velo specialized examination. In every way that really matters, let us by and large discussion about the kind of current economic situations, kind of additional appearance how Velo's amass sort of shows a really descending pattern, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Velo value examination. Velo cost examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a sort of everyday time period in every practical sense, made sense of beneath, which sort of shows what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. We utilize truly relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially basic moving genuinely normal and outstanding moving especially normal to generally examine the future development of the Velo in a truly significant manner. In every practical sense, relative strength record demonstrates that the Velo coin truly is an oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 30. So Velo especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The VELO, USD moving in every way that really matters. Normal union and dissimilarity marker by and large is showing a kind of present moment for the most part sell sort of sign as the MACD line sort of is moving underneath certainly signal line which in a real sense implies most certainly bears. The most part are ruling on the lookout. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $323.16. Following a value change of 1.42% within a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While Velo's Williams %R marker for the most part is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and kind of transient pattern reasonably inversion especially is conceivable. So Velo by and large has a medium-term opposition at $0, which especially is very critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, or so they thought. Velo especially is moving in genuinely descending course as sort of bears effectively in every practical sense. Take the coin underneath quick help level of $0. Certainly further appearance how Velo value examination Velo cost examination for the 22nd of April 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period fundamentally made sense of beneath, which sort of shows what sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,275.35 level after a decay of 2.73%, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.72% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in an essentially significant manner. Presently Velo ought to in a real sense track down a help at $0. More than likely the dealers could then focus on the vital help level set at $0, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an especially large way. So these occasions truly demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for sort of transient in a sort of significant manner. Velo certainly is presently in